Hi everyone, this is the first of the batch of locks I got from LockButcherShop. It's a 6-pin water cylinder. I don't know the brand of it to tell you the truth, but as his initials are LBS, so he's pinned this one himself. I don't know where he has used stock pins or he has used his own custom pins. I suppose the only way to find out is to get into it. It does say Curtis there on the key, but I think that's just a branded key. It does have working key, it does work smoothly. It is a 6-pinner, as I say. There's your bitting. There's plenty of slop in the keyway. It does go into some amazing false sets, this one. Just say there are spools in there. So, top keyway and Peterson medium hook. There's the false set, there's a deeper false set. You can set spools in this thing for fun. Some are very, very high setting, maybe deep spools. The keyway is very deceptive. There's a ward there just above the pins, and sometimes you're picking it. And more times than enough you're hitting it, you're not hitting the pin dead on. This pin number 2 can be very, very awkward to set. Don't know why that's it set or not. Say this much, if you do lose your false set on, it's very easy to get back again. Usually pin 1 gets you that back again. It's an awkward enough pick, what to say. Keyway certainly make it awkward. Again, just tell you whether it's picked or not. A lot of crunching going on. There you are, that's it open. Good grief. Pin 1. So last spool was set, but just need to touch pin 1. And that's it open. So wasn't a bad pick, that I have to say. Anybody else wants a wee shot at this here, give me a shout. And I'll send it off then. So, without further ado, I think we'll cut this one. So, out of the road and out of the road. This back up again. So there's your keyway. There's just a wee ward just there. Just keeps you out. fits right. Well, at least that fits anyway. Something has gone crunchy on me. Oh dear. Ah, that's what it is. There's custom pins in this. There's a wee wafer there. That's to hold that T-pin in. Now, I don't know what order these sort of went in, but I'm sure you'll be able to tell me. That's number. Hold on, just show you here. Take the key of this. Sorry, mucked this up. Anyway, just look the size of that. Pin number 4, see that? Good grief. Shush. Right, now I know that was pin number 6, right? This is pin number 6. I'm setting that over there. Actually, hold on. There's my tweezers. Right. That's pin number 6. And that's just a standard pin. So, count out from 1 then. There's pin number 1. Standard pin. Pin number 2. Standard pin. Pin number 3. That's another standard pin. Pin number 4. That came out of the that came out of that door, that cavern. Pin number 4 is a standard pin. You could fall into that. Good grief. Pin number 5 is standard pin. You must have hit that with a big drill, mate. Any milling in the chambers or anything? There's maybe something there in 4. I don't really see much. In your way. Maybe. Don't know. Don't know what that is down in there at all. Feels a bit catchy. Anyway, let's have a look at some of these here pins. You'll be able to tell me, sorry, a spring here just flew. You'll be able to tell me where these come out of, what order. But these are custom pins, so I'll just show you here. That's a spool. I'll just grab that. There you go. That's a custom made spool. I'll just put that in there in no particular order. And there's another custom made spool. You can see that. I guess rated on a spool. See, I'm not putting these in any particular order, but one of them was in pin stack number 4. I can guess which one it was. There's another custom made. There's a standard pin, which I think was probably in number 1. Now, here's one of these here. One of these T-pins. There's a wee wafer. Get that set on top of. Sorry. There you go. Number focus. You can see that. I think that definitely was number 4. And here's another one of these custom made spools. A bit of wonder. Pushing the thing away up. Nothing dodgy about the springs. Just have a look inside. Inside here. I don't really see any milling in there at all. Anyway, that's your 6-pin custom pinned mortise cylinder single pin pick from LockButcherShop. Thanks very much again, mate, for all the locks, and thanks very much for that challenge. Definitely some juicy pins in there. Take care of yourselves now, and all the best now, folks. Bye bye.